Hey guys, Brittany here. So in this video I'm going to be showing how I built my DIY curtains for my van. I hadn't really watched any videos on YouTube how to do it. I just went to Joann Fabrics and picked out some fabrics that I liked and kind of winged it, so it's kind of a learning process for me as well as you, but this might help because learn from my mistakes I made through this video. If I would have watched my video, I would have known what to do and what not to do. If not, you can just see the end results by skipping to the end. I don't really care if you want to know how to do it or not, but it looks cool in the end, so I'd definitely check that out at least. Here it goes. Alright, so basically what I did was took this string, because I don't have a measuring tape, this is totally DIY, and I just measured across the one side to the other where the seats are to block off the seats from the living area. And I am going to take this fabric here and hem it like this so the string is on the inside so I can remove it like curtains. I'll explain more later, but that's basically what I'm doing. This is what I'm using to hem it together. I don't really know how to use it, but it's all trial and error here. I put the tape down here. You can kind of see it. I'm gonna fold it over like this on there and then iron it. Where did it just go? Now that gives us our, here, and I'm gonna feed the string through there to hold it up. So I did that all the way across, and now I'm gonna do the other one off camera. Alright, here's where I'm trying to feed in the string. This was a terrible way to do it, but basically if you end up doing this, I just took a hanger and made a loop at the end, attached the string, and then fed it through the hole. Later in the video you will see that I found a better way to do this. Follow that way if possible. Alright, for these back two windows I'm going to do two individual curtains so I can push them to the side, each side if I want to. I'm going to just take this black string here to measure it. I always let it hang a little bit on the side so I give it this much extra on each side. I'm going to do this in the same fabric that I was just using for right there. I'm going to do that same thing I did with that first one. again. These are gonna be for littler windows though. And this time I'm gonna put the string inside first and then fold it over so I don't have to use a hanger. As I said before, this is the most simple way of getting the string in there is melting the string already in there. I recommend doing that. It's way easier. Alright, this is my fabric for the other windows. Of it, I'm going to cut down this line, this like crease that was already in it. That will make it in half, and then I can start cutting out I just measured out the windows with this string, so I'll know how long each one needs to be. During this whole thing, I used string to measure my window sizes, which worked, but I do recommend having actual measurements. It might make them a little more accurate. So I had some extra fabric, this kind, and I'm just gonna try to wrap it around this. Make it into a pillowcase so it matches my decor, if I can do it. Wrap in a present with some tape. Hopefully I don't burn the pillow either. I did it. Here's the opening for the pillow. This is the line down the back. It's a cute pillow. Basically it for today, and plan on putting out a video next about some adventure stuff, not just van stuff. So if you want to see that, you can subscribe or just keep watching, but it'd be cool. If you subscribed, I need to get to, I think it's 1,000 subscribers to actually be considered something, so keep watching. Boop-a-doo-doo. Until next time, bye.